today we are going to discuss mathematics chapter fraction, and we are going to study its unit 2, which is ordering and comparing fractions. Let us begin with the learning outcome. At the end of this unit you will be able to compare and order fractions. Now we are going to learn how to compare unlike fractions with the same numerators. While comparing unlike fractions of the same numerators, the fraction with a smaller denominator is greater. Means if the numerator is same, so we will look at the denominator. If the denominator is smaller, means it is greater fraction. Look at here, this is an example. Look at these two fractions, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. Their numerators are same but denominators are different, 2 and 4. So which fraction has a smaller denominator? Obviously the first one, 1 upon 2. As we have discussed earlier, the smaller denominator, if the fraction is having a smaller denominator, means this fraction is greater. So the fraction 1 upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 4. Another example, here the two fractions are given, 3 upon 4 and 3 upon 8. Their numerators are same, 3, but denominators are different, 4 and 8. So which fraction is greater here? Obviously the fraction with the smallest denominator. So 4 is the smallest denominator, that's why fraction 3 upon 4 is greater than 3 upon 8. How to compare unlike fraction with different denominators and numerators? Now we are going to compare the fraction with different denominators and numerators. We can compare unlike fraction by cross multiplication in the following way. When the numerator and denominators are different, we will use cross multiplication method. What is the cross multiplication method? Here you can see two fractions are written, 7 upon 12 and 5 upon 18. Their numerators and denominators both are different, so we will cross multiply them. We'll multiply the first numerator with the second denominator and second numerator with the first denominator. After this, here 7 multiplied by 18 and 12 multiplied by 5. You can see here clearly that 18 is a bigger number, so it must be greater than 12 into 5. 7 is multiplied by 18 must be greater than 12 into 5. Let's check their answers. That is, 126 is greater than 60. 7 18s are 126 and 12 5s are 60. So here we can say that 7 upon 12, fraction 7 upon 12 is greater than fraction 5 upon 18. Another example, here another fraction is given, their denominators and numerators are different. 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. Again we'll use the cross multiplication method. We'll multiply the first numerator with the second denominator, first denominator with the second numerator. Now what will happen? 3 multiplied by 9, okay, and then 5 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 5. Now we'll multiply them. 27, 3 9s are 27, 2 5s are 10. So which one is greater? Obviously 27 is greater than 10. Therefore the first fraction is greater than second fraction 2 upon 9. Ordering mixed number and improper fraction. Now we are going to learn how to order mixed number and improper fraction. We can compare by converting the mixed fraction into an improper fraction first. Look at here a mixed number is given and a improper fraction is given. So what we'll do, we'll convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction first. Step 1, change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Here we have changed, we have multiplied 5 and 2 and added 1 here, and divide the whole number by 2. So after multiplying 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11, 11 upon 2. Step 2, now we'll compare 11 upon 2 and 3 upon 2. How will compare? You can see their denominators are same, so we can compare their numerators. So 11 is greater than 3, that's why the fraction 11 upon 2 is greater than 3 upon 2. Hence we can say that the mixed number 5 whole number 1 upon 2 is greater than 3 upon 2. Thank you.